Hello guys, so in this video we will discuss various properties of DFT. So first one వచ్చేసి linearity property. So first we will think like what it states. So it states that if DFT of x1 something like x1 of n equal to x1 of k, okay, and DTF DFT and DFT of x2 of n equal to x2 of k. Okay, so if these two conditions are true, then DFT of a1 x1 of n plus a2 x2 of n, that means the inside signals is multiplied with particular factors a1 and a2, and we are taking the DFT of that both signals. So this must be equal to a1 x1 of k plus b1, or just ఇక్కడ a2 తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి a2 x2 of k. So hope you understood now. So x1 n అని ఒక సిగ్నల్, x2 n అని ఒక సిగ్నల్, దానికి రెస్పెక్టివ్ గా ఈ రెండు వచ్చాయి. So if you multiply these signals, okay, if you multiply these signals and add them, if you multiply signals with particular factors a1 and a2 and add those signals, we should get output as same summation of those discrete Fourier transforms multiplied by the same factors a1 and a2. So then prove చూద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు proof చూద్దాం. So we know that DFT formula ఏంటి, DFT of generally x of n equal to summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n kn, okay, where k comma n are in between 0 and capital N minus 1, right? So we will substitute this this complete equation in terms of x of n, right? So summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1. So in the substitute చేస్తాం, so you will get a1 x1 of n plus a2 x2 of n. సో ఇక్కడ x of n బదులు ఈ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు ఏమడిగారు, DFT of this some large signal. So that is equal to x1n plus a2 x2 of n multiplied e power minus j 2 pi by n kn. All right, so what I will do is I will multiply these to both the signals, so and separate the summation. So we will get n equal to 0 to n minus 1 a1 x1n e power minus j 2 pi by n kn plus summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 a2 x2 of n e power minus j 2 pi by n kn, and summation of constant into something ఇది బయటికి తీసుకున్నా there is no change. So we'll get a1 into summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x1 of n e power minus j 2 pi by n kn plus a2 summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x2 of n e power minus j 2 pi by n kn. So మీరు ఒకటి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, లైక్ లెట్ దిస్ బి ఈక్వేషన్, ఓకే, దిస్ బి ఈక్వేషన్ 1, ఓకే. సో ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 ని ఉంది, ఇది అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, అండ్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ DFT of x of n. సో దిస్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు a1 into DFT of x1 n plus a2 DFT into x2 of n. So DFT of x1 of n ఏంటి, like they have already given us DFT of x1 of k. So we will get final answer as a1 DFT of x1 of n is x1 of k plus a2 into x2 of k. So this is our final answer. So it satisfied the linearity property. So hence, yeah, this is the linearity property of DFT. So in the next video, so not next video, so we will discuss them. That will be very simple. We will discuss the periodicity property. Okay. So periodicity property em cheptadante, if DFT of x of n is equal to x of k avute, okay, then x of n plus capital N. So after n points of DFT, we will get the same value, that is equal to x of n. And similarly, x of k plus n must be equal to x of k. So this will be true for all n, and the next one is true for all k. Fine. So we will solve it now. So first we will take x of n. X of n ante ela find out chestam, we generally solve by using inverse DFT. So inverse DFT formula enti, 1 by n summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k e power j 2 pi by n into nk. Okay, so this is the proof. Now we have to show that x of n plus n and x of n must be equal. So after n points, it itself is repeating and prove cheyali. So we will do that by like 1 by n. So n ekkada undo akada n plus n substitute cheddam. So only we are having n at this place. So x of k e power j 2 pi by n into, so n దగ్గర ఏముందంటే k into n plus capital N. Okay, so that will be equal to 1 by n summation of x of k e power j 2 pi by n kn into e power j 2 pi by n into nk. Fine. So ఇది వస్తుంది అంటే ఐఎమ్ స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ e power a plus b equal to e power a into e power b laga. So I just splitted it. So we will get, so n will get cancelled. So we should know that e power j 2 pi k always equal to 1, ఎందుకంటే k value is some integer. Okay, what we, whenever e power j 2 pi into k, so k is some integer, so ఎప్పుడైనా ఇది 1 అయిపోద్ది. So we will get 1 by n into summation of x of k. So the summation is from n equal to 0 to n minus 1. So e power j 2 pi by n kn. So this is actually equal to, again, so you can see here x of n, right? So x of n. So manaku last ki em vachindi, therefore x of n plus n equal to x of n. Okay, so after n points it is repeating again. So ఇప్పుడు next x of k plus n equal to x of k అని prove చేద్దాం. So let's that as x of k is equal to DFT. What is DFT formula? Summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n into kn. Okay, so again x of k plus n. So k ekkada undo k plus n substitute చేసుకోవాలి. So here having k, so అక్కడ k plus n పెట్టుకుంటే we will get n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n, so let it be 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n into k plus n into n. All right, so what we will get is similar e power ab ante e power a plus e power b laga. So we will split it again, x of n e power minus j 2 pi k n by n. Okay, this is fixed, and multiplication by e power minus j 2 pi n n by n. So n get cancel. So ikkada ee term entante e power minus j 2n. Okay, so already, and we are having pi also, sorry, pi. So we know that whatever k has, n is also will be in the same range. So this will be also equal to 1. So we will get summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n into kn. So value enta, this is equal to x of k, but this is equal to x of k plus n. So even in the frequency domain also, after k plus n equal to x of k. So I'm very sorry, k plus n. So even in frequency domain also, after n points, the frequency value will be repeating again, whatever it may be. It may be real or complex. Thank you.